really don't think I'm ever going to be able to escape this shit. Listen to it. Listen to that pedaling. Jesus. I mean, this is my whole closet right here. This is my kitchen. Okay, so it seems to be wanting to happen now more in the afternoon, but just to prove that there's nothing there. Jesus Christ. I am finally back to my apartment after the door opened from the Wise Cam, and people were wondering if the door stayed open or not. So we're gonna unlock the door without waking up any more neighbors. And we're gonna see it was still open. All right. Well, that's interesting. That stayed open that whole time. This is the cord in question, the coax cable, and you can see here it goes directly from here down to my Wi-Fi. So I could, I guess, open it like this, but one, I would probably be in the way of the camera here since I'm standing here, but let's try and test this. Here's the door latched all the way shut. I mean, I'm pulling on that pretty hard and it doesn't come out. But if I were to do this and open it, that just kind of pulls the Wi-Fi back. So, I mean, if this cord was the thing that was pulling it, this probably would have knocked off, but I don't know. Oh. You gotta be fucking kidding me. And here we go with this shit again. I'm just gonna wait and see how long it goes on, because I'm never not. Stop! Okay, that works.